Hi Pixelers! Bring your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a card. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, dark gray, light gray, blue, and yellow. This drawing is 11 squares tall by 28 squares wide. We'll start with the black color. Skip 4 squares from top to bottom, and on the 5 squares, mark 4 vertically. From this square, 1 to the right. Up to the right, mark 5 horizontally. To the right, mark these 3 vertically. From this square, 1 to the right. Down to the right, mark 1. Down to the right, mark 6 vertically. From this square, move 2 to the right horizontally. From this square, down to the right, mark 3 horizontally. From this square, move 1 up. Up to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down to the right, mark 3 vertically. Down to the left, mark 3 horizontally. Up to the left, mark 1. From this square, move 2 to the left horizontally. From this square, move 5 to the right horizontally. To the right, mark these 2 vertically. Up to the left, mark 2 vertically. From this square, move 1 to the right. Down to the right, mark 2 diagonally. From this square, move 5 to the right horizontally. Down to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, move 1 to the right. Down to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, move 8 to the right horizontally. From this square, move 1 up. Up to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down to the right, mark 3 vertically. Down to the left, mark 3 horizontally. Up to the left, mark 1. On this line, count 2 squares from top to bottom, and to the right mark 4 horizontally. Mark 1 here. Now pixelers, let's color in all the squares we marked. Join the Pixeler Club! All you need to do is subscribe and activate the notification bell, and you're in! Let's take the light gray pencil and color these areas. Next, take the yellow pencil and color this square. Now, grab the blue pencil and color these parts. On the top corner, you'll find a link to my Spanish channel, where you'll find hundreds of pixel art drawings with subtitles. Finally, take the dark gray pencil and color the wheels. And here's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to give the video a super pixelated like and comment below what color you're going to paint your car. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for another video. I'm sending you a big kiss, a giant hug filled with love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!